everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS big block 4-speed car. Man, I just love this car, man. Fun car to drive. Love the color combination. It's going to pop out here in the sun in a minute, and it's beautiful. This is the original color, placer gold metallic. It's got the Parchment interior, Virginia car. It's had a recent body up restoration, and I'm going to tell you guys, a pleasure to drive. This car hits the road great. You see those big tires on the back? Those are 10-inch wide in the rear. He's got them set up to look like it's just a bone stocker. It's got mini tubs in the rear, 12-bolt 355 limited slip rear end. It's got strange adjustable coilovers. And all that being said, it's not crazy. It's not, I mean, don't get me wrong. It pulls hard, runs strong, but definitely something you can get on an expressway and cruise. Car's nice and tight, shifts out good. Just one of those cars you get in and drive it for about 10 seconds and you know this is a good car. Chrome and stainless is nice. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Really nicely done. Got the correct SS hood. It's got new front windshield, but the rest of the glass is a factory soft fray glass in it. Really pretty color combination with that gold with that Parchment. You can see the stainless around the windows is really nice. Just bugs on it, guys, if you're seeing that. Just a gorgeous Michigan day. Rear defog. Good, solid, straight Virginia body, guys. So a little touch-up mark, which we've got a little touch-up pen on the way for it. Look how nice that tail panel is. Slick paint. You can see it's nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. They're 15-inch rally wheels. Again, look at the meats on the back of that thing. But it's so subtle you don't even notice it. It's got the rally wheels with the flat caps. That's a pretty car. It's got an era correct 396 in it. You see here, you can hear even the door buzzer works on the car. It's not a matching numbers car. The actual numbers on the front of the block are actually gone. But it's a 69 to 71 big block 396 engine, Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake. It's got a mild cam into it. You can see it's got headers. It does have the Billet distributor in it. Manual steering, which I really like on a 4-speed, and I'll tell you what, this thing turns easy, nice, drives easy. Power front disc brakes. It is a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. It's got the big block radiator with the shroud. The door buzzer works. Again, that's just a little bug on the door. It's got bugs everywhere right now. It's gonna drive me nuts. Yes, door buzzer works. Metal mirror. Again, the chrome and stainless is nice. Oh, they're little ants, that's what they are. Door handles are nice. I mean, this is a pretty car. You can pick this, a little armrest. It's got some, showing some age a little bit. New carpet. They've definitely redone this interior. They've repadded, refoamed the seats. Bucket seats. You can see the Hurst shifter in there, center console. It's got the factory tach and gauges, factory SS steering wheel. So I'm gonna reach around here, get my finger in there. There we go. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. 72,576. That's supposed to be the right miles. I do not know how many miles since the car's been restored. Factory padded dash is nice. It's got a Retrosounds radio in it. It works. Blower motor works. All the gauges work except for the tach. That would be a points-driven tach. It's got electronic ignition in it now, which is why I think you can buy a converter for them though, or I think you can actually send the tachs out and have them set up to run with that distributor on it. 12 bolt, 355 limited slip rear end. You can see it's all spackled in the trunk in here. It's got mini tubs on it. Did a nice job on that. Ladder bars, frame connectors. It's got strange adjustable coilovers on the rear. And like I say, really hits the road nice. Clean underneath. Fun Nova, man. Whoever gets this thing's just gonna have a blast with it. Again, seats are nice. I saw one little mark up here, but the rest of it, I mean, interior's really nice on the car. Gauges are nice and clean. Of course, it's got that Hurst shifter. Steering wheel's nice. Nice little cam too with the choke works. Fun car to bang the gears, guys. That's good. That car's just a blast to drive. There's all the other gauges in this. Our parking brake does work, guys. Doors open and close, nice. Gauges do work. You see it's holding good oil pressure. Radio works, getting blower motor works. Got those doors open and close real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Watch this thing pop out in the sun. Watch how pretty it is when it gets out there. Sounds good. I love the way they set those wheels out there. So it looks like a bone stock little Nova. Have a great